Hey YouTube, welcome back. It's Sonia, Profiling Manipulation. So this video is going to be super short really. It's just going to be an example on love bombing during the hoovering phase and what you can expect. Something like this, receiving letters, cards, gifts, etc, etc. Okay, so I'm just going to scroll through the letter. You can pause it to read it in your own time. That's pretty much the video. An example of love bombing an old target during the hoovering phase. Okay, so that's all the pages. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a like or a dislike. Love lots and see you in the next one. Bye for now.